Hello everyone, welcome to codingscientist.com. You are watching World of Sensors. So we are getting into more number of sensors now, and let's see what we are going to see in this lesson. So guys, we will learn about a sensor called tilt switch. So this is how it looks, the tilt switch, right? So if you look into your sensor kit, switches are very common. Tilt switch is basically is the equivalent of a button which you saw in the lesson number 1 and is used as a digital input, right? Inside the tilt switch is a pair of small ball bearings, right? The ball bearings which you can see in your the steel. If you pull out the ball bearing, there are small steel balls. That is what it is made of. That makes the contact with the pins when the case is upright. That is how it works. That is why it is called tilt switch. The tilt the case over the ball don't touch, thus it does not make a connection. So you can understand the concept. The ball is here, this is the circuit here. When the ball moves like this, the circuit gets connected on. If the tilt switch moves here, it's off. So it's as simple as that, guys. It's a pretty straightforward mechanism, but it's one of the great innovation, I would say. So what you need to do, as per the circuit, just pull out your tilt switch and connect to digital port 5 of the shield on digital port 5, which I am going to show it to you now. And then take out a button which you learned in lesson number 1, connect that to the digital port 7, and then connect the LED sensor which is there part of the kit. Take it out and connect it to digital port 1. So once you do that, I will just show you to you the way it looks, the way I have connected. You can see it here, right? So this is the pin, these are the mounting points, and that's how it looks. Now let's move on to the code. So let's take a look at the code. So you need to go to my GitHub. If you go to my GitHub, I already copied this code, so it is part of your lesson 3 tilt switch, right? Let me just go back again. I will show it to you. Tilt switch here, lesson 3. Click here, tilt switch. This is the code. Go to raw and then control A, then control C. After that, you need to come back to your Arduino IDE. This is the code which I already pasted and uploaded. Then you need to select your tools. Go to Arduino UNO, go to AVR boards and select Arduino Uno, and then go to tools again, select your port. I am on COM6, your port might be different, so make a note, COM6, and then upload the code. So once you upload the code, right, let's take a look. How did I give the serial print? No, there is no serial print, so we can just directly look at the circuit and see how it works. Let me just shift you guys into my other camera and let's see, because the code has been uploaded already. Alright, so the LED seems to be glowing. Now let's tilt the switch. Wow, can you see it, guys? If you can see it carefully, let me bring it close to the camera. Now the LED is on. Now it is off. On, off. On, off. On, off. On, off. On, off. Now let me trigger through the switch. Okay, whenever it is on, let me leave it on state, the tilt switch, and then press the button. There you go, it's blinking. Can you see how from the trigger state it changes its state automatically when the tilt button is on, right? That is the code, that is the logic we have written. Great, perfect. So you can see the concept of how the tilt switch works, right? It's a basic understanding. Now the application of tilt switch is tremendous, guys. You can use in various types of robotics applications, or any other device you might want to build. It's just about your innovation. It's just about your thinking, how you want to build things around your home or something like that. So try give it a try and give a comment, reach out to me, and share your thoughts. I will be happy to help you build any kind of system. I will see you soon in the next lesson. Goodbye.